Are you risking injury every time you lift weights? Discover the secrets to safe and effective weightlifting. Weightlifting can tone your muscles, boost your metabolism, and improve your overall health. But without proper form, you could be putting yourself at serious risk of injury. Whether you're new to weightlifting or returning after a break, mastering the basics is crucial. Always remember to warm up and cool down properly to prepare your muscles. Use spotters for major lifts to ensure safety and support. Never lock your joints. Always keep a slight bend in your knees and elbows. Breathe out when lifting or pushing, and breathe in as you lower the weight. Holding your breath while lifting can raise your blood pressure. Avoid it. Keep your back straight to prevent strain and injury. Wear shoes with good traction to avoid slipping during your workout. Listen to your body and stop if you feel pain to prevent further injury. Compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses engage multiple muscles for a full body workout. For squats, keep your feet shoulder width apart and lower yourself to a seated position. Drive through your heels as you lift. Deadlifts require a straight back and engaged glutes as you lift the barbell. Drive through your heels as you lift. Bent over rows target your lower back and require controlled movements. The overhead press strengthens your shoulders. Press the bar over your head and hold. Bench presses build chest strength. Lower the bar to your chest and drive it up. Flare elbows to closer to 45 degrees to protect shoulders. Isolation lifts like bicep curls, tricep extensions, leg curls, and leg extensions will target specific muscles. Start with lower weights and higher reps to build strength gradually and avoid injury. Achieve the proper form with expert guidance and unlock the full benefits of weightlifting.